Good morning. I, myself Professor Y.T. Shinde, Head, Department of Botany and Associate Professor of Maharaja Jivajirao Shinde Mahavidyalaya, Srigonda, District, Ahmednagar. This college is affiliated by Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune, and the choice based credit system syllabus of SY-BSc to be implemented from academic year 220 to 221 year. Today we learn, and the lecture is going on, question banks on the syllabus, unit number 3rd, study of families. In our syllabus, there are 8 families. Out of these 8 families, 3 families, that is family Annuaceae, family Brassicaceae, family Myrtaceae, these 3 families are polypetal family. And the family Solanaceae, family Apocynaceae, family Rubiaceae, these 3 families are the family Gamopetalae. And family Nyctogenaceae, family number 7, is the family Apetalae or Monochromidae. And in our syllabus, only one monocot family, family Amarlidaceae. Total, there are 8 families included in our SY-BSc syllabus. Today, we learn and we know question banks on the study of families. We have completed all syllabus and we learn or we know only question banks on this units and subunits. Paper semester number 3rd, paper number 1st, taxonomy of angiosperms, question banks on the study of families. First questions, family Annuaceae. Give systematic position and give systematic position with reasons and salient features of families as you studied, that is family Annuaceae, family Brassicaceae, family Myrtaceae, family Rubiaceae, family Solanaceae, family Apocynaceae, family Nyctogenaceae and family Amarlidaceae. Examples such as family Annuaceae, systematic position of the family Annuaceae, kingdom Plantae, region cell wall is made of cellulose, subkingdom Spermatophyta, seed bearing plants, division Phanerogames, flowering and seed bearing plants, subdivision Angiospermy, ovaries are included in the ovary, class Dicotyledons, stem branched, reticulate venation, leaves with parallel venation, taproot system, flower teta or pentamerous, seeds with 2 cotyledons, vascular bundles are arranged in the ring. These are characters of class Dicot. Then class Dicot is divided into subclass Polypetalae, Gamopetalae and Apetalae. Subclass Polypetalae, region of subclass Polypetalae, petals are free, stamens are free. Then subclass is divided into series Thalamiflory, thalamus conical, stamens and carpels are free. Then order ranales or sometimes rosales, stamens many, gynoecium apocarpus, and then last family Annuaceae. Then key characters of Annuaceae: plants, shrubs or small trees, calyx and corolla, trimerous or sometimes pentamerous, Androecium many, polyandrous, Gynoecium many, apocarpus, placentation basal, and important characters fruits and aggregate eatery of berries. These are systematic position of the family. Then salient features. In salient features, there are 2 points, morphological characters. In morphological characters, there are 2 points, vegetative characters and floral characters. Vegetative characters, habit, root, stem and leaf, and floral characters, inflorescence, androecium, gynoecium, inflorescence, calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium, style, stigma, floral formula, floral diagram, fruit. These are salient features of the family. The next family, family Brassicaceae, same as systematic position, salient features, regions with systematic position. Then third family, family Myrtaceae, same as systematic position with regions, kingdom, subkingdom, division, subdivision, class, subclass, series, order, family, genus and species. This is the systematic position of family Brassicaceae. Then third family, family Myrtaceae. Fourth family, Gametophyte family, family Rubiaceae or family Solanaceae or family Apocynaceae. Systematic position of these families: kingdom, subkingdom, division, subdivision, class, diquat, but subclass Gamopetalae. Petals are free in polypetalae and petals are united or fused in Gamopetalae. Then series, inferi, bicarpellate. Order, polyamoniales, rubiales. Then family. Then key characters of the family. There are 4 to 5 key characters. Then salient features. Same as salient features, as you learn an example, family Annunaceae. Then family number 7, family Nyctaginaceae. Give systematic position with regions of family Nyctaginaceae and describe salient features or give brief account of salient features of family Nyctaginaceae. Same as kingdom, subkingdom, division, subdivision, class, diquat, subclass. In family Nyctaginaceae, monoclamidia or apetalae, that is petals and calyx are absent or they are distinguished into perianth. Then series, curvembryi, that is embryo curved. Here is not order, direct family Nyctaginaceae. Then salient features of family Nyctaginaceae. The next family number 8, family Amarnidaceae. This is the monocot family. Family Amarnidaceae, kingdom, subkingdom, division, subdivision, then class. In our syllable there are 7 families are included, or the class diquat included 7 families. 8 family number 8, family Amarnidaceae, class monocot, stem unbranched, adventitious types of root system, parallel venation of the leaf, seeds with 1 cotyledons, flower trimerous, vascular bundles are arranged in the vascular bundles are arranged scattered in type. These are characters of monocot. Then series, there are 7 series. Then families, characters of the family. Family Amarnidaceae are adventitious type of system, plant, herbs are herbaceous, radical and cauline. Inflorescence, racemospike, presence of perianth in 2 holes, gamophilous, that is 3+3, androecium, stamens 6 arranged in 3 holes, that is 3+3, epiphilous, anthers versatile, free, Then gynoecium of family Amaryllidaceae, ori tricarpellary, syncarpus, not syncarpus, ori in Amaryllidaceae, ori syncarpus, but inferior. Trilocular, 2 ovules in each locules, placentation axile, inferior ori, flower epigynous. Then fruit, generally fruit is capsule. Then floral formula, then floral diagram, then 5 economic importance or English the 5 economic important plants of family Amaryllidaceae. These are characters or systematic position and salient features of family, 8 families. Then second questions, give floral formula and floral diagram of family as you studied or as you included in the SYBC syllabus, semester first, semester third, paper first, taxonomy of angiosperms. Give the floral formula of family Annonaceae, Brassicaceae, Myrtaceae, Rubiaceae, Solanaceae, Apocynaceae, Nyctaginaceae and Amaryllidaceae. Correct floral formula, 1 mark. Example, family Annonaceae. What is the floral formula? What is Annonaceae? Flower bracteate, bisexual, actinomorphic, calyx 3+3, calyx only 3, corolla only 3, fleshy, stamens many, polyandrous, gynoecium many, free, flower hypogynous, placentation basal. Family Brassicaceae, floral formula, flower bracteate or ebracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual, calyx 4 or 2+2, corolla 4, cruciform, androecium, tetradinemus, that is 2+4 or 4+2, 2 short, 4 long, gynoecium, bicarpellary, syncarpus, superior ovary with parietal placentation, fruit siliqua or silicula type. Then family Myrtaceae, flower bracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual, cape 4 to 5, corolla 4 to 5, corolla 4 to 5, slightly united at the base, androecium 7 to 8 or many, gynoecium many or 5 to 8, syncarpus, inferior ovary with axial placentation. Same as family Solanaceae, family Rubiaceae, family Apocynaceae. Then how to draw floral diagram of family? Example, family Cruciferae or Brassicaceae. There are 4 sepals outside side or outside there are 4 sepals, mother axis, valvate aestivation, 4 petals, cruciform corolla, petals are alternate petalous or alternate sepalous, that is alternate 2 sepals, saccate, stamen 6, that is 2 inner side, 4 outer side, that is 2 short, 4 long, placentation parietal, bicarpellary ovary, flower bracteate. This is the flower diagram as you see example. Then give distinguishing characters of the family as you studied or 8 families. Example, family Annonaceae, stamens many, polyandrous, calyx and corolla, trimerous, that is 3+3. Third characters, carpels many, apocarpus, placentation basal, then fruit and aggregate heteroberries. These are distinguishing characters or key characters of the family Annonaceae. Then key characters of family Brassicaceae. Plants, herbs, shrubs with milky latex, pungent. Then inflorescence, racemose, panicle, racemose raceme. Calyx and corolla, 4 in number, that is flower tetramerous. Next characters, flower hypogynous, then androecium, then corolla cruciform, then androecium 4+2 tetradinemus, gynoecium bicarpellary, syncarpus, superior ovary with parietal placentation. The important characters fruits, siliqua or silicula type. These are characters of distinct characters of family Brassicaceae, same as family Myrtaceae, same as family Solanaceae. Characters of Solanaceae: plants, herbs and trees, inflorescence, cymose or solitary cyme, flower, actinomorphic, bisexual, hypogynous. Then important characters: corolla, salver shaped or corolla funnel shaped, androecium 5, stamens are equal in length. Then gynoecium bicarpellary, syncarpus, superior ovary with axial placentation, ovary bilocular, it looks like tetralocular because of false septum, stigma bilobed, style long, ovary spiny. Unimportant characters: flower septifragal, fruit septifragal capsule or berry. Same as characters family Apocynaceae, same as family Nyctiginaceae, and distinguishing characters of family Amarilidaceae. Important characters: ovary tricarpellary, syncarpus, inferior with axial placentation, fruit capsule, presence of scape, flower racemose raceme, stem underground. These are characters of family, distinct characters of family Amarilidaceae. Then fourth questions, give any 5 economic important plants of family as you studied. There are 8 families, 5 economic important plants, or enlist the 5 economic important plants as you studied, that is 2 families or 4 families. Same as examples: family Annionaceae, economic important plants, Annona squamosa, Annona reticulata, Annona muricata, Artabotrys odoratissima, Polyanthaea longifolia. Then family Brassicaceae, 5 economic important plants, that is Brassica gentiana, Brassica campestris, mustard, Raphanus sativus, Capsula bursa pastoris, Iberis. These are 5 economic important plants or enrich the plants of family Brassicaceae. Then same as family Myrtaceae, third family economic important plants: Spidum goa, Eugenia jamboliana, Eucalyptus alba, Syzygium aromaticum. These are examples of family Myrtaceae. Then economic importance of family Solanaceae: Datura stumenium or Datura metal, Solanum xanthocarpon, Lycopersicum esculentum, Vidania somnifera, Solanum melongena, Solanum potatum. These are examples or enlist the family of enlist example. These are enlist examples of family Solanaceae. Same as Apocynaceae, Astonia squalidris, Nerea moderatum, Plumeria rubra, Plumeria alba. Family Nyctiginaceae, 5 economic important plants: Bohroea diffusa, Bohroea repens, Bohroea spectabilis. These are examples of family Nyctiginaceae. Then examples of family Amarilidaceae: Amaryllis belladonna, Polyanthaea longifolia, Crinum pancratium. These are examples of family Amarilidaceae. Then describe the flower of family Annionaceae, flower of family Brassicaceae, describe the flower of family Myrtaceae, family Solanaceae, family Apocynaceae, Nyctiginaceae and Amarilidaceae. Describe the calyx and corolla of these 8 families. Then describe the fruits of Annionaceae, that is fruit is an aggregate heteroberries, describe the fruits of family Brassicaceae, that is fruit is silicula or siliqua type. Describe the fruits of family Myrtaceae, that is capsule fruit. Describe the fruits of family Solanaceae, capsule septifragal capsule or berry fruit. Describe the fruits of family Apocynaceae. Describe the fruits of family Nyctiginaceae and describe the fruits of family Amaryllidaceae. Then describe the corolla and androecium and gynoecium, that is describe the corolla of these 8 families. Describe the androecium of family Annunaceae, Brassicaceae, Myrtaceae, Solanaceae, Apocynaceae, Rubiaceae, Nyctiginaceae, Amaryllidaceae. Gynoecium of these 8 families. These are questions occurs in the syllabus or in the examination. In your examination or small answer types of questions. What is the types of fruit of family Annunaceae? What is the types of fruits of family Brassicaceae, family Myrtaceae, Solanaceae, Apocynaceae, Rubiaceae, Nyctiginaceae and Amaryllidaceae. Then what is the types of astoaceans in these 8 families? Example types of astoacean Annunaceae plus volvate, Brassicaceae volvate, Myrtaceae volvate and twisted, same as 8 families. Then short answer questions, what is the gynoecium, types of gynoecium of family Annunaceae, that is Apocarpus, family Brassicaceae, Syncarpus. These are questions or small answer questions of families. Then next question, give floral formula, only floral formula of these 8 families, correct floral formula. Then give flower type of Solanaceae, Apocynaceae and Amaryllidaceae. Describe calyx of family Nyctiginaceae. These are questions on the families or short answer questions of these 8 families. Then write short notes on systematic position of Annunaceae, Brassicaceae, Myrtaceae, then 8 Yamopetyle family, Nyctiginaceae and Amaryllidaceae. Then object type questions, fill in the blanks or multiple choice question. Family Annunaceae belongs to the class dicot. Family Amaryllidaceae belongs to the class monocot. Family Myrtaceae belongs to the order Myrtales. Family Brassicaceae belongs to the order Parieteles. Family Solanaceae belongs to the order Polemoniales. Then give only 2 economic importance plants of Annunaceae, Brassicaceae, Myrtaceae, these 3 Yamopetyle family, 1 Apopetyle family and 1 monocot family. Then what is the subclass of family Solanaceae, that is subclass Gamopetyle. What is the subclass of family Nyctiginaceae, that is Monoclamidae or Apetyle. What is the subclass of family Amaryllidaceae? There is no subclass. What is the order of family Amaryllidaceae? There is no order, only families, series, then families. Then give 2 economic important plants of Solanaceae. Or Vidaria somnifera belongs to the family Dioideae. Polyanthala longifolia belongs to the family Dioideae. Polygonum tuberosum or Polyanthus tuberosum belongs to the family Daidaceae. Polyanthus longifolia belongs to the family Daidaceae. This is a multiple choice question. These are questions on the unit study of families. Unit study of families. Then we learn next lecture, unit number 4, binomial or botanical nomenclature question bank. Today we learn study of families, and this is the video lecture of only SYBC students, and it is only for educational purpose of SYBC students. Thank you.